You're not gonna start an AI agency in 1, 2, or 3 days a month and then fucking giving up, because that is not realistic. But if you want to actually stay congruent with your word and finally pull something through, this is the tool that's gonna help you get there. So let me show you how we can actually start earning and printing from today. So first things first is gonna be signing up. Okay, this is me signing as the founder. So you can see here we have the full command center interface that's going to allow you from getting from zero to ramping up clients on a consistent basis. So how is this going to be so fucking effective? Because we follow a builder streak. What does this mean? You're gonna be competing with every other user within the platform to stay congruent with your process so you actually get results. And there's going to be here a daily task list that you're going to need to perform to be able to stay ahead, because you're not going to be able to get results from just sending outreach 1 or 2 days a week. The thing that's going to separate this from any other method in the system is this, the demo generator. But we'll get back into that a little bit later, because first things first, what you need to understand is that within the platform we have the lead engine. This is going to provide you all the contacts from the businesses that you're going to be selling these AI agents to, that actually need it. SMBs like plumbers, electricians, dentists, you name it. And the great thing is that this fetches the full internet and gets their contact details, their numbers, their business, their fucking Instagrams, every single thing that you need to be able to get in front of them and tell them, hey boss, you got a problem that I will be able to fix. You want to see the easy solution so you and your team can actually stay ahead of the curve. What are they going to say? They're going to say, you're not going to get 100% reply rate, but it's better than going and having to call these businesses without zero sales experience. Because at the end of the day, when it comes to scaling a business, there's 4 key pillars that you need to control. First one is sales, second one is marketing, third one is management, and the fourth one is actually getting the product. In this case, could be the software, the service that you're actually providing them, so you make them stop leaving money on the table. So let's test this out. Dentists in Austin. Whisperflow is actually an insane tool. So here you can choose how many leads you'll be able to scrape. So we're gonna put it at, let's say 40. 40 could be a good number that you would be able to outreach on a daily basis. So here's actually loading and fetching the internet so it gets congruent with the results for them, for you to be able to send the email sequences and the Instagram messages. So you'll be able to take those off the list. The thing is that it takes a bit, because finding the Instagrams is the key for this method to work. As you can see here, it also gets the rating and it allows you to fetch them onto your own CRM that I've built within the platform, so you can let it know, okay, when a lead, how many leads have I outreached, how many have actually replied, how many demos have I sent, how many proposals, have they closed, have they not closed, how much am I charging them. Every single thing is tracked, because if you don't track your KPIs, how are you gonna know if you're scaling or not? So as you can see here, not many of them have Instagram. It could be like around 50%, give or take, but those are the ones that are going to get the highest conversion rate, which is what we're focusing on here. Let's get a random one. So here we go. It takes us directly to the link, North Austin Dentistry. I can guarantee you this was directly by luck. This guy doesn't have an AI integrated within their website to be able to set appointments 24/7. Bam! You see, this is a huge opportunity. And people, as you can see, he does have the phone number. But what if the reception is out of order? What if they are outside working hours? They are leaving money on the table. And you're going to be able to solve this problem for them, because a single appointment from a tooth removal is going to cost them hundreds of dollars that you're going to be able to recover for them 24/7 until the business dies, which is where you provide the value. Okay, so let's come back to here, to Rollflow, to the lead engine. So as you can see, this is the full CRM. The prospecting, contacted, demo sent, proposal sent, negotiating, how many have been closed, how many have been lost. This is crucial to keep your progress here. But as I mentioned, in the lead engine, we have the dentists here that we have outreach to. I'm still fetching information for the CRM to completely work, but when you add here save to pipeline, you see it still does not work, because I need to integrate that table within SQL, which is the backend, okay? But yeah, this is pretty much how the CRM could look like, so you got everything nailed down. The demo generator, we'll get that into a second. That's something new that hasn't really been done before. But here you can add businesses. Once you know the ones that have actually replied, you can build here the chatbot this one, that will be able to get integrated within their website, and it'll be completely customed. You'll be able to put the name. If you have the white label option working with us, you'll be able to say powered by whoever the fuck it is. And then here the booking link that the people could book in for their business, the greeting, the system prompt, and the extra knowledge that you will have to extract from the businesses to make sure that this is specific for them. And that's the value that you're providing. You're replacing a worker. Okay, so coming back to this, the profile settings building, that's not important so far. But the demo generate, that's actually insane. Because what you're going to be able to do is go, and for instance from this website that did not have a chatbot integrated, we go, copy their URL, paste it here, bam, and we select an agent that will be integrated. These are example agents that I have created. It would need to be a little bit more tailored for their website so it matches the colors. But we go press generate demo link, we open the demo, and bam, you can see here is their own website with their own AI chatbot. And they'll be able to test it, to get it working, and to see how it would operate on a real scenario. So before they answer yes or no to the Loom, they will already be closed. So let's fucking get enrolling and get this business to the moon. Way in the next one, so stay tuned. We're on the trenches here.